Good afternoon, 24th of July. Hot and sunny again. Temperature today is about 33, 34 maybe. But the humidity will make it feel much warmer, around 42. So is Levante Beach busy today? Let's go and take a look. As you can see, there's many on the beach today. BENIDORM Island, Island of BENIDORM. We have got the water park as well, out in the sea. I'm not sure how much it is at the moment, but you can go out on that. It's like slides, bouncy areas. Just check in, pay. They give you a little life jacket just for safety. Have you already tried it? Let me know in the comments below. As you can see, it's quite hazy today as well with the heat. Also got pedalos there that you can hire out. Go out on. Got a slide that you can go up and slide down into the sea. And we have got somebody parasailing. I'd say that the beach looks pretty busy today. Hit the like, hit that share, hit the subscribe bell. You'll be surprised how many people watch the channel but aren't actually subscribed. And hit that notification bell, that way you'll always be notified when I upload more great content.